St. John's is one of the most desirable areas in Northeast Florida. And if you're looking for the luxury lifestyle, stay tuned. Today I'm going to take you on a tour of one of the newest exclusive gated communities. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Andrea Delancy. I've been a realtor in Northeast Florida for over 17 years, and I'm here to help you upgrade your home and lifestyle. I do weekly videos on all things real estate and what it's like living in our area. If you've been exploring Jacksonville and its surrounding areas, you probably heard about St. John's. It's a suburb of Jacksonville, located about 20 minutes southeast of downtown. This area has just exploded over the last 10 years with new construction homes, new retail businesses, restaurants, and entertainment venues. One of the big draws is that the schools in St. John's are rated some of the highest in the state. You'll also find it offers a beautiful natural setting, close proximity to the St. John's River and the beach, lots of parks and recreational areas, and it's only about 30 minutes to downtown St. Augustine. St. John's has also seen some of the highest increases in home values in our area over the last year. And with more growth to come, it's an ideal area to invest in your next home. Today I want to show you one of the area's newest luxury communities, Mill Creek Forest. Let's check it out. And I'd love to hear your feedback in the comments. Welcome to Mill Creek Forest by Toll Brothers. This exclusive gated community is one of the latest additions to the popular St. John's area and will have just over 300 homes when completed, and they are selling quickly. You'll enjoy the beautiful natural setting as well as resort-style amenities, including a pool, clubhouse, and fitness center. One- and two-story single-family home designs range from 2,000 square feet to over 3,400 square feet, starting in the low 500s. The Robin model featured here boasts nearly 2,700 square feet with 4 bedrooms and 3 full baths. Toll Brothers offers well-appointed kitchens, spacious living areas, expansive primary bedroom suites, and spa-like bathrooms, with an array of design options to help you personalize your space. And last but not least, inspired outdoor living areas will help you make the most out of the Florida lifestyle. There you have it, guys. If I can answer any questions about the St. John's area or any other area of Northeast Florida, my contact information is always in the description. I'd love to assist you with your move. Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay up to date on what's happening in the area. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.